Welcome to Knut Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the KRT12 2.5 manual 3-roll round bending machines. These sheet metal working machines, manually operated, are still frequently used in the craft and repair sector. The machines of this series are designed with asymmetrical roll arrangement. With this design, the upper and lower rolls are arranged exactly one above the other, making it particularly easy to align the sheet accurately in the machine. The clamped sheet then retains its alignment even during bending, and unnecessary corrections are eliminated. Additionally, the crown rolls made of hardened quality steel are also suitable for processing stainless steel. Wire insertion grooves are machined into the lower rolls. The operator drives the front rolls via a large dimensioned crank handle with the long wooden handle through a reduction gear. The rear roller is advanced by means of a hand wheel positioned on the side. The adjustment range is large and an easy-to-read scale facilitates positioning. For conical bends, the rear roller may be adjusted on one side by loosening a couple on the torsion shaft. A stable side bearing absorbs the high lateral forces generated through this type of machining. The roll top may be swung out to remove the workpieces. The KRT delivers excellent bending results and gives a good feel for the material to be machined. Here at Knut Machine Tools, we offer other bending lengths and outputs in this series, as well as a wide range of other high-performance sheet metal working machines with motors. Contact your nearest representative today to find out the best solution for your business.